In this video, we will be studying about a quadrilateral. See, a four-sided closed polygon is a quadrilateral. See, squares have all the four sides same. Rectangle has two sides same, like length is same, breadth and breadth is same. Whereas in quadrilateral, if I draw quadrilateral, then this is a quadrilateral, right? Then if I draw like this is a quadrilateral. Four sides are different, or might be two sides are same, two are different. Three sides are same, one is different. In that case, it is known as a quadrilateral. Now, quadrilateral has four sides and four angles. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. In this, sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, and DA. Four sides A, B, B, C, C, D, and DA, and four angles A, B, C, angle A, B, C, then angle B, C, D, then angle C, D, A, and angle DA, B. See, A, B, C, D are the angles in this. Now, angle A means DAB, angle B means ABC, angle C means ACD, two sides in one vertex, then two sides in one vertex. In this, four angles and four sides. Now they have asked you to draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral K L K L M N N. Don't write like this K L M N. No. Write it in the sequence. If you're writing K L M N, or you can write K L M N like this. In a series you have to write. So I'm writing it as K L M N. Now four sides are K L L M M N and N K. Four angles are NKL, KLN, LMN, MNK. Now you are asked to write down the two pairs of opposite sides. Now opposite sides are KN is opposite to LM. So KN and LM are the opposite sides, one pair. L and NM are the opposite sides. KL and NM are the opposite sides. KN and LM are the opposite sides. So these are the two pairs. Now two pairs of opposite angle. See, angle K is opposite to angle M. Angle L is opposite to angle N. So angle LKN and angle LMN. K and L are opposite, K and M are opposite angles. The other pair is L and N are opposite angles. So angle KLM and angle MNK. Now this middle one is the vertex, it's the common. So K and M are the opposite and L and M are the opposite angles. Now two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides, I've told you in the previous video, are the sides that have one point in common. So L, K and Kn are the adjacent sides. L, K and Kn are the adjacent sides because there is a point K is common. Then you can write it down that Kn and Nm are the adjacent sides. Kn and Nm are the adjacent sides, because N is the common. If you are asked to write more pairs, you can write as N, M and ML, because M is the common point. So NM and ML are the adjacent sides. Similarly, KL and LM are the adjacent sides because L is the common point in this. So in this way you can write out the adjacent sides. Now they've asked you to find out the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means this and this are the adjacent angles. So LKN, angle LKN and angle KNM are the adjacent. KN is common side. So there is common side KN in all the both the angles. So these are the adjacent angles. This is the one pair. The other pair is, I can write angle KLM and angle LMN. KLM and LMN. L and M are the adjacent angle because they are the common side LM. So these are the pair of adjacent angles. So I hope you have understood the quadrilaterals. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.